Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. I am Tanvir with you. Now I'm going to show you how to set up LB LInk router. Let's begin.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
First, plug your power cable into the router, then plug in your internet cable to one port. Then take a short cable that will get into the box of your router. One end of the short cable connect to any one port of your router's LAN port. Put the opposite side on the LAN port of your PC or laptop. If you don't have a laptop or computer, you can connect the router Wi-Fi to your phone, then follow the next step shown here. Then open any browser on your PC or phone. I am using Google Chrome. You can use it as you like. Now here we use the default username of the router admin and the default password admin. Then click on login. Since we will use the Wi-Fi router, we will select the router option from here. Then click on next. Now from here we will select the PPPoE/ADSL option. Here those who use other connections like static IP besides dial-up connection, you can activate by selecting static IP. Now use the username and password that your ISP company give you. Instead of username and password, I am using mine. Now use your Wi-Fi name as you like. Instead of the wireless setup network name, I am giving Farhad Raja. The security option is disabled here. We will enable it now. Now enter your Wi-Fi password of your choice in the key option and click apply. After applying, viewers, now you can see that the router wants to restart. Now we will click on the restart router. I am skipping the video until it restarts. After the restart is complete, your internet will be turned on. Those who have set up mobile will reconnect to Wi-Fi with your password. So friends, now that we have completed our setup, now you have learned how to set up LB LInk router. Now we can browse the internet.
If you like this video, please like it. Leave your comment in these comments. Stay with us by subscribing this channel. Thank you.